Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Transformer Architecture, the secret engine behind modern AI. Imagine you're trying to understand a sentence. You'd look at each word, but also consider how they relate to each other. That's what the transformer architecture does. But with AI, it's a way for machines to understand sequences, like text or audio, by looking at the relationships between different parts. Traditional neural networks are like trying to understand a sentence by looking at each word one at a time, in order. But what if the important words are at the end of the sentence? The transformer architecture solves this problem by looking at all the words at the same time. The self-attention mechanism is like a spotlight that shines on different parts of the input sequence, highlighting what's important. It helps the model understand how different parts of the sequence relate to each other and focus on the most important information. The transformer architecture has two main parts: the encoder and the decoder. The encoder takes in the input sequence and generates a representation of it. The decoder then takes this representation and generates the output sequence. It's like a two-stage process, where the encoder understands the input and the decoder generates the response. Multi-head attention is like having multiple spotlights that shine on different parts of the input sequence. Each spotlight looks at the sequence from a different perspective, and the model combines the information from all the spotlights to get a more complete understanding. Positional encoding is like adding a special token to each word in the input sequence that says, "I'm the first word," "I'm the second word," and so on. This helps the model understand the order of the sequence, even though it's looking at all the words at the same time. The transformer architecture is used in many real-world applications, such as language translation, text summarization, and chatbots. It's also used in other areas, such as speech recognition and image captioning. The transformer architecture is a powerful tool for understanding sequences, and has many real-world applications. By understanding how it works, you can build more accurate and efficient AI models, and solve complex problems in areas like natural language processing and computer vision. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.